Hey glitter babes, I hope you all are doing amazing out there. So my friend Alicia dropped this mirror off by my house. She gave me no directions. She was just like, whatever you want to do, girl. So I was like, I'm gonna hook it up for you. So I decided to do a Z Gallerie inspired mirror. And I'm going to be using canvases and picture frames to complete this project. I used a combination of big frames and little frames and also canvases. It depends on how big or small your mirror is. I also got these from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if they still have them, but I'm only going to be using 2 of these. And I placed the frames around the mirror to make sure everything was going to fit. So I'm going to be removing the cardboard and the glass out of each frame. And I'm going to be taking all my frames outside and spray painting them silver. I'm also going to be spraying the cardboard piece that I took from the back of the frame silver, because that's where I'll be adding my glitter for some of the frames. After I sprayed everything silver, I took the piece of cardboard that I spray painted silver and I'm going over it with my Mod Podge. And after that, I'll be going over it with silver glitter. Next, I'll be taking the smaller cardboard pieces and doing the same thing. After that, I went to the canvases that I spray painted silver and I just took the Mod Podge and went in the middle and put the glitter inside. I then took these mirrored tiles and I went around the perimeter. I then decided to add these extra frames that I had on top of the canvas because I felt like it would add an element to it. And these frames are around 5 inches long. Now I'll be adding in the cardboard and the glass back into the frames. Now that the frames and the canvases are completed, I am going to be adding them around the frame as I did before, just to make sure everything fits appropriately, and then I'm going to go back around with my hot glue gun and glue everything down. And like always, I am using the Gorilla hot glue sticks, so I am sure that they will stay down. And after that side is complete, I am going to do the right side of the mirror and then the left side of the mirror. I would honestly recommend only using canvases because the picture frames are more flimsy. And make sure that the back of your mirror has a way to hang it up because you don't want to sit it on its face after it's completed. After I added all the frames, there was a small gap in between, so I just took some mirror tiles and covered it. And here's the final look. It is so beautiful. This was such a simple and easy project, and most importantly, inexpensive. Please like and comment and tell me if you like this project. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram because I will be having a giveaway this month.